Welcome to the Turbosubdomains plugin user guide. In this video, we will start exploring Turbosubdomains settings in detail. There are two main types of settings available in the plugin. First, general settings, which handle the overall configuration of your TSD network. And second, theme settings, which control the front-end appearance of your main domain, subdomain pages, and article pages. Let's explore the general settings first. Understanding general settings structure. In general settings, you'll find all the configuration options that control how the plugin operates. This configuration includes 6 main areas: API settings, feed settings, Cloudflare settings, subdomain settings, AI settings, and SEO settings. Let's dive deeper into these settings. We'll cover each section in detail across multiple videos. In this video, we'll start with API settings. API Settings Overview. API Settings is where you manage all the API key-related configurations for your plugin. As you can see on the screen, there are different blocks for different API integrations. Each block handles a specific service or feature. Let's walk through each one. Cloudflare Settings. We'll start with Cloudflare Settings. This is an important note. The Turbosubdomains team configures the Cloudflare settings during the initial plugin setup, so you typically don't need to alter these settings unless you have a strong technical reason to do so. However, if you experience any issues with loading your subdomains or any page of your site, you can verify the Cloudflare connection using the Test Cloudflare DNS button you see here. Click this button and the system will check the connection. A successful authentication message means Cloudflare is properly connected to Turbosubdomains, and there's no action required on your part. Automation Settings. Let's move to the automation block. This section allows you to set up content generators like Article Forge and Content Machine. If you want to use either of these content generators to automatically fetch content and publish it to your subdomains, here's what you do. First, enable the function using the check-a-box here. Then, select your desired content generator from the drop-down menu. Enter your API key in the provided field and hit the Save button. Once configured, this content generator will be available for selection when you create content automation campaigns. We'll cover campaigns in detail in a later video. Image API Settings. Next, you see the Image API Settings block. Turbosubdomains supports 3 image providers: Unsplash, Pixabay, and AI-generated images. You can configure and connect your favorite image provider with Turbosubdomains easily. Simply obtain the API key from your chosen provider and insert it into the API key input field here. For AI-generated images, Turbosubdomains currently supports 2 AI image generators, OpenAI and Runware. Plugin includes its own optimized prompts to generate images from these AI services, ensuring you get the best and most content-relevant images for your posts. YouTube API Key. The YouTube API Key field is used to power YouTube campaigns and niche edit system within the plugin. We'll explore YouTube campaigns in detail when we cover the post campaigns and niche edit system tutorials in upcoming videos. News API Settings. The News API block contains API settings for 2 services, Google Translate and News API. Let's look at each one. Google Translate API helps you translate content into any of the available languages according to your needs. You can select your preferred language from the drop-down menu available in this block. News API is your source for the latest news articles from numerous news sources all over the world. The API integration here allows you to fetch fresh articles from News API and automatically post them into your subdomain private blog network, keeping your content current and relevant. Content Rewriter Settings. At the bottom of the API settings page, you'll find settings for content rewriters. There are 2 options available: Spin Rewriter and Word AI. These spinning tools can be used to rewrite and make unique the content fetched from various sources such as Content Machine, Article Forge, News API, RSS feeds, and other content sources. This ensures your content maintains uniqueness across your network, which is crucial for SEO purposes. Saving your settings. After making all the necessary changes in the above fields, remember to hit the Save button at the bottom of the page to save your API settings. This ensures all your configurations are properly stored and active. What's next? In the next video, we'll continue exploring the general settings by diving into feed settings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.